Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just a bit of a quirky problem in the workshop today that I wanted to share with you. Obviously with the amount of rain we've been copying here on the east coast of Australia in particular, or all across Australia, a lot of rain, water ingress into motor cars has become a much bigger issue than it has been in the past. So with sunroofs, blocked drains, water damage, water ingress, if it gets in anywhere, it can cause you a lot of drama. And that's what was the case with this particular vehicle. So we've got a 2009 3 litre 1KD diesel Prado, and intermittently this car would just start cranking over by itself. No one in the car, no keys anywhere, it would just start cranking over by itself. Now it is the smart key type system, in other words the keyless entry part, and it's got the push button device on it. Now in this particular case, it was getting water ingress down through into the A-pillar here on the very front, coming down from the side in here and wetting a particular plug. Now in this particular case, I've got a picture of the actual plug here. So near the accelerator pedal here, we've got a bunch of wiring, etc. And one particular plug, which is all taped up, it's not a harness that we would normally access. It's all taped up and there's a number of plugs contained within that. And you can see that there's been water damage in here. It's had water ingress there. And once that water gets in there, because it's a very sensitive circuit, it doesn't need a lot of power to trigger it, then it was actually activating the start mode. So water ingress, big issue, especially where it's been wet. So if you're getting cars come in with some really quirky type of problems, you think, oh, that's a bit strange, maybe think about the water and maybe where the water might have got in to be able to think if anywhere near modules or wiring connections like we've had in this particular case. This is a particular repair solution which is on our website for members that are looking for that sort of information. Don't forget, we add about 20 every fortnight to our repair solutions database. So just always go and check that there's not another case very similar to yours that might be able to give you a good head start on finding where a particular vehicle might be. If you're not a member, you'd like to join up, go to tap.net.au, click up the join up now button and join the many other thousands of others technicians sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.